हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, हाय. कालचा व्हिडिओ पाहिला का? एंट्राप्रेनरशिप डेव्हलपमेंट हा सब्जेक्ट मी तुम्हाला शिकवणार आहे. मायसेल्फ डॉक्टर बडवे मेघा. आय एम वर्किंग हिअर सिन्स लास्ट 18 years. I taught all subjects of commerce. In this year, I will teach you the subject that is entrepreneurship development. The medium of this subject is purely English. You have to write answer sheet, answer paper in English only. But I will teach you in both languages, that is in Marathi and in English. Okay? So, you need not to worry about the medium or difficulty of the subject. Okay, today we will discuss about the syllabus of entrepreneurship development. The first unit is entrepreneurship. What do you mean by entrepreneurship? Definition, concept, characteristics, functions of entrepreneurs in economic development. What are the traits, means qualities required for entrepreneurship, and the various functions of entrepreneurship. Okay, this is your first unit. But before that, I will teach you about the business. What is business? Because you have to start your own businesses. That's why I will teach you the meaning, types of various businesses, that will make you easy to choose your interested area. After learning this subject, you must start your own businesses or business. Okay, that is the main aim of this subject. Second unit is factors affecting entrepreneurship development. So there are various factors when you start your entrepreneurship. There are various factors, various contents which affect on your business, on your entrepreneurship. What are that? Mainly there are two factors, that is internal factors and external factors. In this, there are also other factors which are affecting on your business, on your entrepreneurship. That is social factors, economical factors, political factors, cultural factors, psychological factors, technological factors, educational and institutional factors. So in this unit, we will see or we will learn detailed about these various factors. Okay. Then third unit is related with problems of growth relevance in entrepreneurship. So you have to face so many problems, so many difficulties while running your business. And what are that problems? So we will discuss detail in this chapter. That is poverty. You already studied in 12th class about the poverty. Again we will learn about poverty in this unit. Regional imbalance, social injustice, inflation, parallel economy. All these words are, all these concepts are new for you. I will teach you slowly and thoroughly about these concepts. Lack of technical knowledge and information. These all are the problems facing by entrepreneur, facing by businessman. So we will discuss detailed in this chapter, in this unit. Okay, so we already discussed 3 units, and the last unit is women entrepreneur. There are already so many girls in our class, and we must discuss about the women entrepreneurs also. Okay, so what are the opportunities available to women entrepreneur in our country, in our world? Then what is the meaning of empowerment? We are living in urban area, rural area, semi-urban area. So what are the opportunities? What are the women entrepreneurs in semi-urban, urban areas, rural areas? We will discuss detailed in this unit. Okay, so there are mainly 4 units for this semester 1. Okay, very easy syllabus which you have, which will you learn, and you will write various practicals, various projects while learning these युनिट्स, दिस सिलेबस. ओके, बघा काय आहे, 4 युनिट आहेत आपल्याला या सेमिस्टरमध्ये आणि हे 4 युनिट ऑलरेडी मी तुम्हाला सेंड केलेलं आहे की एंटरप्रेनरशिप काय आहे, कोणकोणते वेगवेगळे फॅक्टर्स एंटरप्रेनरशिप डेव्हलपमेंटवरती इफेक्ट करतात, कोणकोणते डिफिकल्टीज येतात, प्रॉब्लेम्स येतात, हर्डल्स येतात, ते आपण डिस्कस करणार आहोत. विमेन एंटरप्रेनर काय आहे हे पण आपण काय करणार आहोत, या टर्मला आपण सगळं शिकणार आहोत. याच्यावरती तुम्हाला वेगवेगळे प्रोजेक्ट बनवायचे आहे, प्रॅक्टिकल्स देणार आहे, इंटरनल एक्झाम 20 मार्क्सची असणार आहे, प्रॅक्टिकल 20 मार्क्सचं असणार आहे, फायनल एक्झाम पण काय असणार आहे 60 मार्क्सची असणार आहे. ज्या काही PPTs, जे काही मटेरियल मी तुम्हाला सेंड करणार आहे ते तुम्ही तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये लिहून घ्यायचं आहे. असाइनमेंटची बुक वेगळी करायची आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये असाइनमेंट लिहायचे आहे. तुम्हाला कुठलाही प्रॉब्लेम आला तरी काय करायचं आहे, मला फोन करा, मी तुमचा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करण्याचा प्रयत्न करेन. ओके, मोठा व्हिडिओ मी जास्त बनवत नाही कारण तो अपलोडिंगला प्रॉब्लेम येतो. आज आपण काय डिस्कस केलं, सिलेबस डिस्कस केला फर्स्ट टर्मचा. ओके, आता मी काय करणार आहे, नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आपला सिलेबस मी स्टार्ट करणार आहे. ओके, समजलं? ओके, बाय, थँक्यू.